Right. This is the weekly review, week 40, last week of September. Right. It's already. So the first trade was on oil. This one will be this one, this 4 hour fair value gap. I am right now experimenting on a premium discount kind of thing, just more market structure, premium discount, and then also I'm going into more of the cycles, yearly, monthly, and then aligning those up with the weekly cycles. So instead of just catching a Tuesday high or low, uh, put put the whole narrative in place on what week is it in the monthly cycle, uh, what quarter are we in on the yearly cycle? So which one are we in? Because we're going into reversal one for quarter 4, which isn't high probability. The highest probability is the distribution one, and then lining it up with other distribution uh days. So catching Tuesday, Wednesday during this is gonna be, you say, the grade A of what to trade, I guess, like when, or really not what, in, would be during these months. And then also during the months of manipulation going into distribution, and then manipulation, and then during the month of manipulation, and then that's really it. It's really kind of going, I want to go a little deeper. So kind of mid-March, mid-June to late August, mid-November kind of thing, and then kind of trade light November to up until Christmas. And then that first quarter, I want to trade real light this first quarter until, I don't know, I guess, yeah, like mid-March would be the end of this. Kind of when we're getting the reversal to close out the quarter, the quarter candle, and then kind of close out that last third candle of the month. And then I really want to get active over here and really trade manipulation, and then getting into the distribution. And then different assets, different cycles, sand cost rally and stuff. Be aware of that. And yeah, but so going back to this, so this one, I think this whole week is down 8R. And there were some things we could have done to get better, but just nothing was there. So this was a move. And we had that sell that could have was placed the limit, but could have, would have, nothing came up to it. So that was a loss. And this was Sunday night, also on NASDAQ. I'm pretty sure we took this. Something like that, I think we took. Trying to go down to here. That was an L. And then next one was YM. So YM was this one. This one, all three I was in, they all hit SL over London time frame. This one was during Tuesday. But like on NASDAQ, same trade. This one got hit 1 a.m. Yeah, same trade. This is where the should, coulda, woulda did a limit on the next one, but then looking at it now, if I do want to add in this premium discount, what is in premium, what is in discount? This will really have to be watched more or less when we're trending high like this. If we're just trending outside of it, premium discount won't even be used. If we're just making higher highs like this, but coming into this using context, coming into say a reversal, a continuation of the quarter. It just started, but just saying what it is. And then really, I think I want to really let Monday, Sunday close, and then come in on Tuesday, Wednesday, just for the one trade for the week. And if Monday sets the high, it is what it is. Maybe we catch on Monday's candle close. Yeah, gas, really short on gas. That was right up here. This was it right here. So this was the short right here. We're going down low. I think it was like something like that. Yeah, that got nailed out. It's kind of what I'm looking at, the whole reversal concept. We've been going down in the continuation, coming into the quarter reversal, more or less a potential reversal could occur, and not just be so biased on the continuation or just the overall trend, lay the quarters. It's kind of seasonality part. And then get oil again. Oil along here. This one, it's like we're in discount, everything like that. It just wasn't what it was. The real move was just the sell off all week. That was something got laid out on that. I don't even see anywhere could have even got in on this move. As Friday said, basically the high of the week. And it was just a day one continuation out the gate. And that was that. This one was a missed trade. This one I came back on and relooked. Going in on this, it looks really high put in, but just the last day of the week. This one wasn't sent. Just didn't love the risk reward, but does hit everything on premium discount, fair value. I think it's a 4 hour limit right on discount. And then we're holding above the week high, last week's high. I saw and just didn't send that out. So like, yeah, that could have been a winner. All of these could have been a winner. Sort of the same move. So the week could have been really nice. Really, really nice, but kind of is what it is. I mean, 8 Rs, one trade, get you back on. But yeah, these could have been, yeah, it could have been really nice. I don't know, 15, 20 R on these, even with down 8. I mean, that almost pays it. 312, do something like that. 15, 17. Could have been like last week. Yeah, we'll do the review and possibly start doing the reviews on Monday. So I'm kind of letting Monday set up instead of doing it pre-Monday, but maybe do both. I don't know. We'll see. All right.